My dear friend, I am Vijay Kumar Pal. Some of my books which I had written earlier. This is book Panorama of Democracy in Indian Context. इसको पढ़िए. This book is the panorama of Indian democracy and how the some aspect of Article 14 is totally violated by its state itself. Means many abnormality in India democracy and violating the norms of the constitution also. So you can read my all books. So today we will discuss about the victim card of the Muslims world is ignoring this, that due to Islam you are spreading hatred against the non-Muslim people, and this is the human nature that due to resentment action must be stern against Islamic Gunism, and people are doing the same whenever Islam is always offensive, so non-Muslim people are also offensive. This is tit for tat, and the Newton's third law, action evolved the reaction, and it must be more powerful always to save the humanity. So I would like to say, to save the humanity again from the Islam, the stern action must be taken by all the peoples who are the sufferer. And who are the sufferer? Sufferer are the non-Muslims, that is Jews, Christian, Hindus and other communities. Then why these Muslims are screaming or the lamenting that the Muslims are being harassed by the non-Muslims in every country? But you cannot see or peep into your brain that what type of the cruelty you are doing against the non-Muslims. So the resentment of the non-Muslims is essential to eliminate the such type of violence or such type of Islamic terrorists. So why are you playing the victim card? Whenever you have Allah, which is most powerful than to any creators, as you recognize that only Allah is not the creator, but so many creators along with Allah, because in many verses Quran stated that you must follow the only the deen, only the ideology of Islam, not the other God. Means Allah also certified that there is too much creator in this world. Then how can this Allah be mighty? आ जाओ आ जाओ आ जाओ आ जाओ आ जाओ बैठो बैठो यहाँ बैठो मैं जब तक कर रहा हूँ mighty. So this is why are you playing the victim card when the people in Gaza are being neutralized by the uh, Israel Defense Forces or the Israel Peace Force? This is the duty of the any country to save their people, save their people from the ऊपर बैठो चलो ऊपर बैठो from such atrocity which nuisance is being created by Muhammadi army, not the Allah army, because there is no Allah at all. Allah is only Allah is only the fallacy of the Muhammad, who was created this Allah for his vested interest. This is the principle of the any society. And society, that if you kill one our son, we will kill you two son, because you are offensive. Every Muslim is offensive. According to the Islam, he is very offensive. He is very stupid to kill the non-Muslims. He is the brainwashed person. After reading the Quran, I knew this fact that Islam is propagating the violence since inception of the Islam, when Muhammad launched this unguided missile to the society which have created nuisance and the havoc in this world. So why you are playing this victim card? Where is your Allah is Almighty, most powerful Allah, and the Muslim are lamenting. You are crying a war cry, Akbaru Allah, Akbar who Allah, yeah, Allah who Akbar means Akbar is a great. This is the war crime. Because if Allah is great, then how He allows the killing the non-Muslims? How He allows the looting or the robbery of the non-Muslim women? And how He allowed to rape with the non-Muslim woman? How He allowed to sell and purchase of the woman of the market as Muhammad did? He sold so many Jewish tribe women in the market of the Najd, the highland of the Saudi Arabia. Then if somebody kill you, if you are Muslim, this is your fault. Because everybody wanted to kill the Islamic terrorist because they are most dangerous to the non-Muslim values, non-Muslim cultures. This is the testimony of the Islam, that Islam always destructed the social values of the society, civil etiquettes of the society. Because Islam is a barbaric ideology. Islam is a group of the goons. Islam is the bunches of the jokers, stupids, and the hate spreader throughout the world. Though the Arabian Muslims who are living the United Arab Emirates and other country are now living the Islam, or they are only Muslims by their name or their culture, but not true Muslim. They are not terrorists. But those which are converted by the Muslims, or their mother, forefather were molested badly by the Arabic and the Turkish Muslims, these converted Muslims from India, Afghanistan, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka are the vultures which are engulfing the social values of the society. The Palestinian Muslims are the vultures because Islam make them vultures. They are group of the vultures. After reading the Quran, nobody can a good person. When we criticizing the Manu Smriti, though Manu Smriti does not allow killing any Hindu, but he also a discriminated book who discriminated the people in the name of Brahman, Kshatriya, Vaishya or Sudra. So Manu Smriti is as bad as Quran, but Quran is too much dangerous because Quran allows the killings of the non-Muslims. When the non-Muslims are taking the revenge in resentment, then why are you weeping that the Muslims are being killed in the India, in any other country which is not the majority of the Muslims? You are killing the Hindus in the Bangladesh, Pakistan, even though Sikh girl were abducted by the Islamic goons and converted to Islam or make a nikah with a 60 years old man. So you can do everything. But if the non-Muslim will take revenge, you will cry. This is not. So your cry is meaningless. And nobody has pity on this cry because you are such type of people. Whenever you in power, you are not a civilized person. You are a barbaric person. Majority made you barbaric. This is why you are trying to make barbaric ideology in name of the increasing of the population. But you do not know that the population does not mean in these days, because it is not possible or it is not necessary that India will remain always democratic and will stay on the votes matter. When the majority will be hunted by these Muslim Islamic goons, the democracy may be shattered due to the idleness of the government, police, and the administration. So, democracy always respect the values of the human civilization, but Islam does not respect the value of the civilization. Islam is the destructor of the human civilization. Islam shattered the democracy of over the world. Even though all the Muslim countries or the Islamic countries has no democracy, because the root cause of this modus operandi of Islam is due to the Quranic verses, which is totally undemocratic against the non-Muslims, against the civil society, against the rule. Shariat is also anti-democratic, a barbarism which is being reflected in the Islamic countries. So, Islamic countries must be banned from the United Nations organization, or with condition that these Islamic country are not following the Quranic verses that are the more dangerous to society, most dangerous to the society. So victim card cannot play now, because if you read the Quran, you became a terrorist, we became a goons, then there is no need to any pity on the Muslims, which are truly Muslims, because Islam have no pity on the non-Muslims. Whenever your Allah has no pity with the non-Muslims, your Prophet had no pity on the non-Muslims, he killed so many non-Muslims, then why should respect the Islam and Allah? And why should have pay homage to the Muhammad, who was the brutal, cruel, and the pedophile? So victim card cannot be run. You are hypocrites. Your hypocrisy is the Quran. Islam is the hypocrisy. Islam is the fundamentalism. So killing of the Islamic terrorist is not the any wrong decision. This is our birthright of the non-Muslims, atheists, or the agnostics, that they must save their lives from the Islamic goonism or the hooliganism. And for this, you may proceed up to the maximum limit. At any cost, you have to survive. And this is why Islam always destructed the Indian culture, and we fought against this barbarism, this goonism, this hooliganism. So we, all the non-Muslims who are praying for the Philistines, not all the non-Muslims, some of them are praising or praying for the non-Muslim, praying for the Palestinian Muslims in the shape of the candle march procession. They are the rogue elements, or they are not, none of them is Muslim, non-Muslim, but they are the communist. And communists never remind their mind that there is any religion. But here in India, the communism and the Islamic jihadist has mingled, and you could not find that who is the communist, who is the terrorist. This is the failure of our non-Muslims of the India, that they do not distinct between the terrorism and the communism, though communism is also a such type of terrorism. which cannot allow the non-communist in their country. This is why Islam and the communist are the same. So our duty to neutralize the Islamic terrorist, and we have no pity on the children of the such terrorists. Even they are the infant children, because after reading the Quran and the Islam and after going to madrasa, they will be a pure certified terrorist who will play a role in the rapes with the non-Muslim women, killing the non-Muslims, and robbery of the wealth of non-Muslim as the Muhammad did. So victim card is nothing. When you have Allah, why you are weeping? Why you are producing the victim card in the name of the Muslims? You are the son of the Allah. You are the son of Muhammad. Why are you afraid of the non-Muslims, and why are you weeping? If you want to weep, go to Allah, if there is any Allah, and told them that how Allah, you made us the such type of the wicked person that we are killing the non-Muslims. We are the certified rapists. We are the certified robbers. Then you should go to Allah and ask them, what type this creator who is discriminated between the Muslims and non-Muslims. So victim card is null and void must be null and void by any other country against the Islamic terrorism. Thank you very much.